Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's tutorial, I'll be helping you learn how to fix TikTok message function not working. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. There are some of the reasons that you are not being able to send any text messages on TikTok. Some of them are maybe you are under the age of 16, you haven't verified your phone number for TikTok, or you are trying to message someone you're not following or aren't friends with, or it might just be a widespread TikTok server issue. Whatever the problem is, there are some fixes you can try out when TikTok messages are not sending or working. The first thing to do is ensure that your phone number has been entered and verified on TikTok. Tap open your TikTok application, and in order to check it, from the home screen of TikTok, select the Me from the bottom bar at the right corner. Now tap on the three dots at the upper right corner and select Manage Account. If your phone number is verified, then you'll be able to see your phone number in the account information section. But if you don't have your phone number verified on TikTok, you can simply tap on the phone number button and select your country code and enter your phone number in order to verify it on your TikTok. After completing the verification step, try sending that TikTok message and check if it is working or not. Next thing you can do is check the privacy settings for messaging on TikTok. Go to the Me icon at the bottom right corner, and from your profile page, tap on the three dots at the upper right. Tap on Privacy under Account, scroll down under Safety, and you'll be able to see Who can send you direct message button. Tap on it. Here choose either friends or everyone to allow messages. I'll suggest choosing friends if you don't want message from random followers. Another thing you can try out is try sending the message to another TikToker or another TikTok account. This step is not necessarily a fix, but it helps you identify if the TikTok messaging problem is account related or not. Go to your inbox and search for the contact you want to send the message to and tap on the message button. Type in the text and send it to your contact. If you can't send messages to anyone, then try reaching out to TikTok support in order to identify any account issues or bans. If the contact you're trying to send the message is not following you, then you cannot send text message to the contact. So make sure you're friends with the contact and try sending the message again. Another thing you can try out is check if your TikTok app is up to date. Sometimes if you don't regularly update your application, this kind of a problem might arise. That was how you can fix TikTok messages not working or sending. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.